10 subconscious behaviors that make others ignore you. Do people tend to ignore you, or maybe not take you as seriously as you'd like in social settings? If you're nodding in agreement or shaking your head in frustration, rest assured that you are not the only one experiencing these feelings or thoughts. And while it can be disheartening to try to contribute to a conversation only to be met with blank stares or brushed off entirely, it's possible that you're engaging in certain subconscious habits that are causing these reactions from others. In this video, we highlight 10 such behaviors and offer helpful tips to ensure that you're being heard, loud and clear. Number 1. Negative body language. Nonverbal communication speaks volumes, often overshadowing our spoken words. And one common reason for being ignored is unintentionally displaying negative body language. When you exhibit closed-off gestures like crossed arms, avoiding eye contact, or displaying a tense or slouched posture, it sends a message that you are unapproachable or unengaged. This can lead others to dismiss you or overlook your presence, as they may assume that you are not interested in participating or contributing to the conversation. For this reason, it is essential to be aware of your body language and strive to project open and welcoming signals to foster better communication and interpersonal connections. Number 2. Weak or timid voice. The way you use your voice, whether it's the tone, volume, or clarity, can significantly impact how much others pay attention when you speak. A voice that's too soft, hesitant, or difficult to understand can signal a lack of confidence or authority, and that can prompt others to ignore what you say. To improve your vocal delivery, practice speaking with a fuller, steadier tone and pronounce words more clearly even if it feels unnatural at first. Increasing your volume slightly can also help. Just be mindful not to resort to yelling. Aim for a well-modulated voice that commands attention without being overbearing. By cultivating a stronger, more authoritative voice, you can convey more confidence and conviction in your message, increasing the likelihood of being heard and taken seriously by others. Number 3. Frequently using filler words. The frequent use of filler words such as like, and you know, can give the impression that you lack confidence or haven't put much thought into what you're saying. Consequently, people may assume that you don't have any valuable insight to contribute and may begin to disregard what you say. While eliminating filler words completely may not always be possible, you should strive to reduce their usage. Try to speak more deliberately and thoughtfully, making sure to choose your words carefully. By minimizing the use of filler words, you enhance the clarity and effectiveness of your communication, again, increasing the likelihood of being listened to and taken seriously. Number 4. Constantly interrupting. If you have a tendency to prioritize your own voice over listening to others, this behavior can result in people ignoring you. You see, by consistently interjecting and cutting off someone while they're speaking, you convey a message that you don't value their thoughts or opinions. It's essential to allow people the space to express themselves and show interest in what they have to say. Ask meaningful follow-up questions and let them know that their thoughts and feelings are valued and appreciated. By honing your listening skills, you can foster stronger connections and decrease the likelihood of being ignored. Number 5. Not contributing anything to the conversation. It's possible that people ignore you because maybe you're not being an engaging conversationalist. If your exchanges primarily revolve around small talk or you rarely open up about yourself, it can discourage others from wanting to maintain a connection with you. To alter this dynamic and increase your chances of capturing people's attention, take a moment to evaluate your conversation skills. Consider if you are truly offering something meaningful in return. This way, you can make adjustments and improve your ability to connect with others on a deeper level. Number 6. Excessive bragging. It's natural to feel a sense of pride in your accomplishments and have the urge to share them with others. However, constantly boasting about yourself has the potential to create a divide between you and other people. So, instead of solely focusing on yourself, consider actively investing in the lives of those around you. Ask about their experiences and show sincere curiosity. This approach creates an atmosphere of openness and receptiveness, allowing for deeper engagement and more meaningful conversations. Number 7. Always complaining. While it's understandable to need an outlet to vent every once in a while, making complaining a habit can really put off others. Negativity has a contagious effect. It creates an unpleasant experience for everyone involved. To prevent this, try to shift your focus toward the positives. Cultivating optimism and spreading positive energy can be magnetic and attract others toward you. By embracing positivity, you can ensure that others will be less likely to ignore you. Number 8. Apologizing too much. Apologizing too frequently, especially for insignificant reasons, sends the message that you lack confidence and are not worth listening to. When you apologize excessively, even before you speak, it creates a perception of weakness. Phrases like, "sorry to bother you," or, "I'm sorry if this sounds stupid," condition others to pretty much tune you out right from the beginning. If you want to increase the likelihood of being listened to by others, focus on expressing your thoughts and ideas with confidence and conviction, and save apologies for situations where you actually made a mistake. Number 9. Being overly critical. It's commendable that you genuinely care about the well-being of others and want the best for them. However, this mentality can sometimes result in excessive criticism, particularly if you focus only on their mistakes. Continuously criticizing others may lead people to perceive you as someone who only knows how to find fault, which in turn can cause them to ignore you, even if your intentions are good. Of course, I'm not suggesting that you should refrain from offering feedback or letting people learn from their mistakes. Constructive criticism is vital for personal growth. But, incorporating words of encouragement and giving compliments can help soften the impact of your critique. Finding a balance between criticism and support can establish healthier and more receptive communication. Number 10. Getting distracted easily. When you spend more time scrolling through social media or responding to messages than you do actively participating in the conversation, it signals that you are not fully present. This behavior can make the other person feel like their presence or their words are not important. Being easily distracted can also hinder effective communication and lead to misunderstandings and misinterpretations, causing people to further disregard or ignore you. If you want to be more engaging and show that you value the conversation, give the other person your undivided attention. This allows for a more meaningful conversation for both parties involved. In conclusion, it is important to be aware of the subconscious behaviors that may inadvertently push people away in social situations. By recognizing these habits, you can make a conscious effort to become more engaging and attentive so that you can foster stronger connections and create a positive impact in your interactions with others. Have you ever felt like people are ignoring you or not taking you seriously in social situations? If you've nodded in agreement or shaken your head in frustration, you're not alone. Many people experience these feelings, and it might be due to certain subconscious behaviors that you're unaware of. In this video, we'll explore 10 such behaviors and provide practical tips to help ensure you're heard loud and clear. Let's dive right in. Negative body language. Nonverbal communication often speaks louder than words. Unintentionally displaying negative body language, such as crossed arms, avoiding eye contact, or a tense posture, can make you seem unapproachable or disinterested. To foster better communication, be aware of your body language and project openness and warmth. Weak or timid voice. Your voice tone, volume, and clarity can significantly impact how others perceive you. A soft or hesitant voice may suggest a lack of confidence. Practice speaking with a steady tone, clear pronunciation, and a slightly increased volume to convey confidence without being overbearing. Frequent use of filler words. Using filler words like and you know can make you appear less confident and thoughtful. Reduce their usage by speaking deliberately and selecting words carefully, enhancing the clarity and effectiveness of your communication. Constant interruption. Interrupting others consistently signals a lack of interest in their thoughts or opinions. Allow people to express themselves, ask meaningful follow-up questions, and demonstrate that you value their input to build stronger connections. Lack of contribution. Being an unengaging conversationalist can lead to people ignoring you. Reflect on your conversation skills and ensure you offer meaningful input to capture others' attention and connect on a deeper level. Excessive bragging. While it's natural to share accomplishments, constant self-promotion can create distance. Invest in others by showing genuine interest in their experiences and fostering meaningful conversations. Chronic complaining. Regular complaining can repel others due to its negative impact. Shift your focus to positivity and optimism to attract people towards you and create a more pleasant atmosphere. Over-apologizing. Frequent apologies for minor reasons may undermine your perceived confidence. Use apologies sparingly, reserving them for genuine mistakes, to increase your credibility and effectiveness. Excessive criticism. Continuously criticizing others can make you appear overly critical. Balance criticism with words of encouragement and compliments to promote healthier and more receptive communication. Easy distraction. Being distracted during conversations can make others feel unimportant. Demonstrate your attentiveness by giving your full focus to the conversation, leading to more meaningful interactions. In conclusion, awareness of these subconscious behaviors can help you become more engaging and attentive in social situations. By making a conscious effort to improve these habits, you can build stronger connections and leave a positive impact on those around you. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends. Subscribe for more content like this. Explore our other video as well. Thanks for watching.